Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Trading Basics. And in this video, I am going to show you how can you add money into your Coinbase account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to add money into your Coinbase account using your mobile phone, you just simply have to open the Coinbase application. And now after opening Coinbase application into your mobile phone, you will get this kind of homepage of Coinbase, and into here you just simply have to tap into this My Assets option down here, and then it will lead you to this tab. Now just simply tap into this Add Cash button, and after doing that you can easily add money into your Coinbase account. But before doing that, remember you must have to verify your account and also add a payment method to add the balance into Coinbase. Now by following these very easy steps, you can easily add money into your Coinbase using your mobile phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.